Minority, Kisii County Assembly. I want to thank the Committee of Budget, led by the chair here, who's our chair actually, Peter Otachi, for presenting the supplementary budget, which, as the press realized, we passed unanimously. As I said in the House, the most important thing is that we need now to walk the talk. We have talked a lot since the start of the budget, and what we want to see is to actualize the budget. I've told the governor that people at the grassroots are waiting for development, and I've also asked the chair who is here with me that procurement is delayed. We are now 6 months into the budget, and we need to procure, because if we don't procure in time and start projects in time, we are going also to carry forward many of these projects. So we need to hit the ground running, and we need to serve the people. That is it. So procurement process must be expedited, and the chair is here. I've talked to the leader of majority. That is what we need, and we know that the governor's had. Secondly, as we were debating also, the issue of equity came in. As the minority side, our work is to ensure that there is equity in the budget. So there is money that is put across all the 45 wards, and we are asking that the governor implements all of them without any discrimination. Because, you know, sometimes there is a difference in opinion. That's why we are elected. We are not elected to be unanimous all the time or to be uniform. But the money that comes from the treasury and the money that also is collected is meant for each and every member of the Kisii community. Number 3, we have also said that the revenue resources need to be collected in full so that it can be able. So we urge the public, those who have the opportunity to pay the revenues, not to pay to the people who do not deliver. We want, and the chair said, we are going to do vetting of the officers, but what we want is to collect a lot of money. And lastly, what we want to take this opportunity as the leader of the minority Kisii County to wish all the community of Kisii well, and that we will support the government where it's delivering, and we will keep on pointing out where they need to improve. That's the nature of leadership, and that's the nature of politics. But when we differ on principle, it doesn't mean that we don't work together. That is how it is. You have seen it. The other day when the King Charles came to State House, even Raila Odinga, the leader of minority opposition, was there. So when we need to discuss, we talk. When we need to engage the governor, we do it. And like now, as our overall responsibility and oversight is to point out, and those we have pointed out during the debate, and we have pointed out during the preparation of the supplementary budget, and we believe once these programs that have been laid down are implemented, Kisii County will be good to go. But you know, even if we put 100,000 or 100 million in our ward, if it's not procured and implemented, it doesn't make sense. I'd rather we have 25 million or 30 million, which reaches the people. So I want to urge the governor of Kisii County, Governor Simba Arati, to move with speed with his officers. Now we have given him, all the ministers are there, all the chief officers are there, even the public service board, to employ the other people that he may not be having. I'm glad that the ECD teachers will be employed in permanent pension terms, and where we're also lacking, we hope that we'll be able to recruit new ones. And that also will go to all technical areas where we are lacking capacity. It can be in medical sector, it can be in agriculture, so that we can push this county to the next level. We don't want to be talking about the same level for 1 year, for 2 years. We are going to push Kisii County, and you realize we have now got as Eldoret as the 5th city. We hope that Kisii was to become, but we are now going to work. We are going to compete with Kakamega to see between Kakamega and Kisii becomes the 6th city of Kenya. So we are asking that we move with speed, support the programs, and be able to deliver for the people of Kisii. Ero twaetirie budget supplementary yaringeria allocating votes. Buya mono so mugavana ne team yae parente budget. Egente kama gyoka nari kumusaba. Bono bakore procurement togende tokorera abana inchegas. Ikigyoka ayande yoto yarorese ground twens buna baraita chore kure grassroots tutaite como welcome ache kuigora magendro chipara amache chinyagitari kiregen the budget nerega ebe implemented.